South Korean President Yoon Suk Yeol, a former prosecutor with a tough stance on North Korea, declared martial law in a shocking move. Unpopular among voters, his decree was overturned by parliament hours later amid protests and political chaos. In this video, we look at how Yoon Suk Yeol's journey to South Korea's presidency began and how he ended up earning a tough on crime image. Yoon Suk Yeol's journey to South Korea's presidency began in the legal realm. For nearly 27 years, Yoon built his reputation as a prosecutor, taking on high-profile cases and earning a tough-on-crime image. In May 2022, he transitioned into politics, narrowly winning the presidency by a margin of less than 1%. His victory came at a time of deep political divisions, with Yoon positioning himself as a leader committed to restoring law and order. Despite his legal credentials, Yoon has struggled to win the public's favor. His approval ratings have remained low, hovering around 20% for months according to Reuters. Yoon's People Power Party faced a significant setback in April 2024, losing a parliamentary election in a landslide. The opposition now controls nearly two-thirds of the seats in the unicameral assembly, placing his administration under constant scrutiny. Adding to his challenges, Yoon has been embroiled in controversies involving his wife, First Lady Kim Keon-hee. The Democratic Party has repeatedly called for investigations into alleged misconduct, prompting Yoon to veto bills seeking special prosecutors on multiple occasions. Yoon's leadership marks a departure from the diplomatic approach of his predecessor. He has taken a hardline stance against North Korea, emphasizing national security and preparedness in the face of perceived threats. His rhetoric often frames the opposition as anti-state forces, a sentiment echoed during his recent declaration of martial law. This approach underscores his focus on combating what he perceives as internal and external threats to South Korea's sovereignty. On December 3, 2024, Yoon made headlines worldwide with a sudden declaration of martial law, accusing the opposition of undermining democracy. The announcement marked the first use of such powers in South Korea in over 40 years. However, the National Assembly swiftly voted to overturn the decree, citing constitutional concerns and widespread public dissent. Speaker Woo Won-sik declared the martial law invalid, reaffirming the Assembly's commitment to democracy. Yoon Suk Yeol's presidency remains contentious. While his strong stance on North Korea and calls for political stability resonate with some, his struggles with public approval, opposition dominance, and allegations against his administration paint a challenging picture for his leadership. The recent martial law controversy has further tested Yoon's presidency, raising questions about his political future and South Korea's democratic resilience.